Okay, let's talk about protection. Namely, when you're cleaning inside of a home, you want to make sure you protect the furnishings. Why is that? Not only does it lead to a negative moment of truth, but it also leads to a positive moment of truth because the customer sees that you care about our furnishings. But most of all, it reduces your liability. Believe me, if you're cleaning this tile and grout like we're going to do, if you don't come over here to this transition on this hardwood floor, what's going to happen? It's liable to cup, and you might be buying some hardwood floors. Here's another area of protection. You want to go ahead and use some painter's drape when you're working around stainless steel, especially if you're using cheap tile and grout cleaners or other cleaners of that nature. The reason being is because a lot of them have hydroxides, they'll damage it, and you'll be buying a $5,000 refrigerator. Yes, it's true, Grout Master won't harm it. Still always a good idea to wipe off any excess. So when you're working around furniture, go ahead and lay out your protector. Why is that? Because if you're cleaning furniture and you get some overspray, you can easily ruin a floor, a finish, or even cup it and be buying it. The last area, and probably the most important area, why is that? To reduce liability. Customer walks down a damp set of stairs, hits a hard surface, what's going to happen? She could easily slip and fall, and then you might be paying out a liability.